Bernadette,
Yeah.
where are we now?
Paradise.
Beach resort, right?
Yeah, paradise.
What's the reason we are here?
Because we just deserve.
This is Anthony from OURZ. I'm at the airport in Hamburg right now and we are flying to Indonesia. Hey everybody, just arrived at the international airport here in Amsterdam. You may ask yourself, what is OURZ doing in Indonesia? We are going there to improve the economical situation of farmers. And that's basically it. Stay with me and I keep you updated. So here's the thing. Taking Indonesia as an example. For a small farmer, it is more profitable to burn garbage, our garbage we produce, than harvesting crop. Isn't it ridiculous? So what's the deal? How we can improve their business that it's more profitable to crop and grow precious resources rather than burning. I finally made it here in Jakarta International Airport and the next flight goes to Bangka. We are actually here in the village of Baluniju. We have been just talking to farmers about their life, what are the pain points. We were talking about how to improve their yield, to maximize their income, for instance. And we are really excited to design a solution that could help them to improve their situation. We are on a pepper farm, which is a demo plot run by PT Chan and also the Spice Up initiative. Here they teach farmers how to make use of different techniques and alternatives, and they do also research. So it's quite interesting to see how pepper is actually growing and how Spice Up and PT Chan providing hands-on to show farmers how they can do better. And this at the end improves their social and economical position.
They also said if it costs you too much time to explain, then it is not a good plan, right? Are you filming me now, or? Oh.
Actually, yes.
I think it's good that we think with a broader team about how to make business differently, or with experience from other origins or producing countries. we started Spice Up, and nobody's really an expert in setting up farming models, right? So it's good to discuss together how to do it.
So this is it?
Yeah, this is it, man. End of the journey.
The Launchpad is over?
The Launchpad is
Launchpad is over.
over.
We're leaving.